Let's see what's my true cards. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, that's kind of true. But yes, but I'm a girl. I'm not a boy. Yeah, in a good mood. That's what's my true cards. But not like the lazy one. Yeah, I'm a good friend. Yeah. Bro, I wanna smash you. Yeah, I'm moody too. Like, hi. My another true cards. God, what's the chill? I told you I'm not a boy. Well, I'm not mean, but sometimes only. Do you have any like you are pretty? I'm a good friend. Yeah, yeah. I'm not a boy, but I know. Thank you. I always wanna be a YouTuber. Like, it's so hard to get a YouTuber, right? I'm loyal, really. Thank you. I'm not a boy, I promise, but I'm a girl. Please don't say this because do I look like a girl or a boy? Like if I look like a girl, but subscribe if I look like a boy. Do I look like a boy? My another two cards. I'm a good friend, yeah. I'm smart, thank you. I look good, thank you. I was born like this. I didn't wear any makeup. Let's see my another two cards is bro. It's been like 2 minutes. You need money? Why? I'm still a kid. I'm helpful. Thank you. Why am I mean? Nice. But I'm not mean. I'm only mean to my bullies. But don't tell anyone. My another two cards, bro. I'm loyal. Thank you. I'm chill, yeah. I'm kinda chill. Thank you, but I didn't take a bath. So don't say mean things about me because I might punch someone. Last time I did, yeah. My another two cards. What are they again? I'm a good friend. Thank you. I'm smart. Thank you. Last time I got 18 over 20. Yeah. My last two cards.